Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start in Game, open Options, and head straight to Video Settings to find the brightness slider. Move it left to minimum or select the lowest labeled setting. This reduces gamma and hides bright areas. Once done, press Done to save. You do this because the slider directly controls how much light the engine applies, so lowering it darkens caves and night. Make sure to test in a dark spot. If it still looks bright, we'll adjust the config next. Once you close Minecraft, navigate to your Minecraft folder and open Options. TXD. You change the gamma or brightness value to 0. 0 to force the lowest engine brightness. Save the file and restart the game to apply. You do this because the in-game slider writes to this file, and manual edits can enforce settings beyond UI limits. Make sure to back up the original options file. With a backup, you can always restore if any. You finish by restarting Minecraft and testing in a dark environment to confirm the dimming took effect. If brightness persists, check for active shaders or resource packs. These often override brightness, so disable them and retest. If manual edits caused problems, restore your backup options. TXD and retry using the slider instead. Remember that some lighting behaviors are game mechanics, not brightness. In those cases, adjust gamma cautiously, or use mods designed for lighting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.